Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the latest tools and gear you need to get the job done right. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best gas backpack 200 mph leaf blower available right now. The SENIX 49cc 4-cycle gas leaf blower. If you're tired of underpowered blowers that can't handle your yard or job site cleanup, you'll want to see what this beast brings to the table. This model, the BLB4QLM, is a backpack-style blower powered by a 49cc 4-stroke engine. It's designed to deliver serious blowing force with up to 600 CFM and wind speeds hitting 200 mph. That's strong enough to move not just leaves, but wet debris, twigs, and even small branches. Whether it's fall cleanup or clearing a construction site, the SENIX blower has the power and control you need. What really makes the SENIX stand out is the engine. This is a 4QL 4-cycle full crankshaft motor, meaning it runs on straight gasoline, no oil mixing required. Not only is that more convenient, but it also reduces emissions and fuel consumption. The low vibration design means you can operate it for longer periods without fatigue, and it's built for all-direction use. Whether you're blowing above your head or sweeping under a deck, the engine stays properly lubricated and running smooth. Now let's talk about ergonomics, because power means nothing if it's uncomfortable to use. This SENIX blower features a padded shoulder strap system and a well-balanced backpack frame that evenly distributes the 25-pound weight across your back. The controls are built into the handle, and the variable speed trigger with cruise control lets you lock in the power level for steady, continuous use. It's intuitive, well-balanced, and comfortable, even for longer sessions. With this model, you also get a few nice extras. It includes a 5.7 ounces bottle of engine oil to get you started. The unit itself measures 17 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 14 inches tall, a compact but powerful build. And perhaps most importantly, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind as you put it to work in your yard or on the job site. If you're looking for a serious gas-powered leaf blower that offers both strength and smarts, the SENIX 49cc backpack blower should be at the top of your list. It brings professional-grade power, user-friendly operation, and a design that won't wear you out. Be sure to check the link in the description to see availability and pricing. Just a heads up, it may not ship to all locations, so double-check before you buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Until next time, keep your gear powerful and your cleanup effortless.